Hello from Indy. Okay, this is video number 2 of 4, and we're going to go over inspection of this differential unit. Again, we're doing the clutch type, not the cone type, and hopefully I can keep my hands out of this. Let me grab a screwdriver. So this will be this is going to be a quick video here. So let's look at our case. Once you get your case, sometimes you'll see these, they'll come out of a car, and the outside of the case will have some damage and stuff, and man, sometimes the gears come apart in these things, and that's okay. If it's got some damage there, that's not going to hurt anything. What you want to worry about is your friction surfaces. Make sure those aren't scored and damaged, okay? Your plates, once you've taken them out, you've set them out exactly how they came out of the housing or the case. You want to verify that they were in the order they should have been and that there's no scoring or distortion on them. For distortion, you can simply just take one of your plates and you can set it down on a good flat surface, piece of metal or something, and just use a filler gauge under each side of it and make sure that it's not distorted. That's pretty simple. Your thrust spacer on your pinion shafts, which is this little spacer here, you want to make sure it's not worn or chipped in any way. And if it is, you can just use a punch that out, get a new one and replace that, okay? And again, these are your spider gears. Sometimes these gears themselves are actually called pinions. These are your pinion shafts. I call them spider gears. So again, if any of these thrust washers or spacers, I should say, are broken, it's like a little roll pin then in there. Punch that out and get you a new one, okay? Your side gear retainers, take a good look at these, okay? The surface here especially, look for wear or what's called brunelling. And that's just a term you're going to have to, you can Google that and look it up, okay? Same thing with the surface right here on these. You may see that that's brunelled. Also, you want to look for any chip teeth. We've already talked about that, and that's going to be very obvious. Your side gears, again, inspect those for any really worn gear teeth. Your pinion, okay? Do the same thing, your other side gear retainer, and check your housing, your bottom of your case, I should say. Make sure everything's in good shape. Hopefully any defects really should be pretty obvious to you. And that's it. The next video we're going to go over assembly, and we'll show you how to put everything back together. Later.